Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here, excited to share with you this week's LinkedIn 2-Minute Hot Tip. And this LinkedIn 2-Minute Hot Tip is all about helping you with the 3 C's of LinkedIn. The purpose of LinkedIn is vast, but these 3 C's will really help you make the most out of the platform. Using it to connect with people like prospects or job seekers. If you're someone hiring, if you're a job seeker, you want to connect with employers, maybe strategic partners, or maybe even donors or folks in the educational space, whatever the case may be, connecting to build your network. Then communicating with them, hopefully with being armed to collaborate with those folks that you connect with on LinkedIn. And so what I'm about to share with you next is a nifty tool within the LinkedIn app for your phone, iPhone, or Android, for you to be able to quickly share your LinkedIn profile URL or share your profile with others, and then, of course, can share it with you. So take a look. I'm going to jump over my phone and show you ways that you can do that pretty quickly. And of course, multiple ways to apply this after using your phone as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into my phone, jump into LinkedIn, and right at the top, you see up there the search bubble, right? When I click on that search bubble that's in between my name and the little messaging little icon, I'm going to click search, and I'm going to look to, you'll see on the far right there, a little button that scans or creates your LinkedIn QR code. And you can use this LinkedIn QR code in a public setting, in a meeting. You can even save this to your photos and use in a presentation, or if you're giving a large event and you want someone to connect with you on LinkedIn from the platform, you can put this on the screen and they can take photos of it. Pretty cool little tip. So I only got a couple seconds left. Let me show you it works. You can share your code via text with your photo or just with your QR code itself. You can also save to your photos so that you can share it anywhere, export it to any document, any business card, and even your email signature. And that's this week's LinkedIn 2-Minute Hot Tip.